There, welcome back to Error Genie, your go-to channel for all things tech solutions. In today's video, we'll be diving into the world of Google Wallet, learning how to set it up and make the most of its features. So, let's jump right into it. As we open the Google Wallet app, you'll notice the main interface. Depending on whether you've used the app before or not, you may encounter additional options like choosing your Google account or enabling NFC. To add a payment card, such as a debit or credit card, simply tap on the designated button. This will open a new screen where you can add your card details. You have the option to either scan your card using your device's camera or enter the details manually. In this demonstration, we'll enter the details manually. The first time you set up Google Wallet, you'll be prompted to provide your address and phone number. Once that's done, you'll encounter the Terms and Conditions screen. Scroll down to review the terms and hit the Accept button to proceed. The next step involves card verification. You'll receive a message on your phone, which might be from your bank, containing a verification code. Enter the code in the designated field. If Google Wallet isn't set as your default payment app, you can change that by tapping the Replace button. After completing these steps, your card is ready to be used. Click OK to finalize the process. Back on the main interface, you can tap on your card to access detailed information. The Activity option allows you to view your transaction history and set this card as the default payment method. It's worth mentioning that Google Wallet replaces your card number with a virtual one to enhance security. If you have multiple cards, you can also assign each one a name for easier identification. Additional options are available at the top, including the ability to add new cards. Google Wallet supports various card types, so you have plenty of flexibility. In addition to payment cards, Google Wallet offers support for other card types. You can add loyalty cards by scanning them while shopping. The app provides a list of local stores to make the search process easier. If you have travel boarding passes or gift cards, you can also add them to the app for convenient access. Now, let's talk about using Google Wallet for payments. When you come across a contactless terminal, open the Google Wallet app, choose the desired card, and tap your phone against the terminal. You'll hear a tone and see a confirmation screen. If Google Wallet is set as your default payment app, you don't need to open the app to make a payment. Once the transaction is complete, you'll receive a notification. Tapping on it will lead you to the payment details, including the amount, business location, and the card used. By tapping on a card, you can also view your recent activity. If you're unsure whether your bank supports Google Wallet, you can check the list of participating banks within the app. Simply go to the settings and select the option to view the supported banks based on your country. That wraps up our guide on setting up and using Google Wallet. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Take care.